In this video, guys, we're going to take this image, which was a raw file, from this to this using Evoto and just a enlargement of the area using Photoshop. Stick with me for this one. It's going to be nice and quick. Here we go. Okay, guys, we're going to take a look at some of the new features that have been added to Evoto. I'm running the version 3.5.0 as of the 10th of May. Now I've got a photo here that I would like to have a go at editing. It was a shoot we were doing, and these was just some of the shots we were trying as we were just sorting out the lighting. But this one I do like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it in Photoshop in Lightroom first, just adjust some of the you know, the highlights, etc., and then we'll jump it into Evoto and have a look at some of the new features they've added. Okay, so first off, we're going to bring the highlights down on the image because it's just that shirt is just blown out too much. And then we're going to add a little bit of shadow adjustment, and then we'll just make sure we've got the eye and the color correction how we want it. And then I will export that file, and then we'll head over into Evoto. Right, guys, so we're in Evoto, and I'm just looking at the new features that they've added in this version. So we've got fine tuning option for the background changer, so we'll take a look at that. That's about time they brought that in. I think they also need to bring add a slider so you can just give a little bit of blur to that background as well. But anyway, that probably will come in the future. So we've got a new brightness slider and lumina curve, HSL adjustment. Remove armpit fat will be a good one, but we will be able to try that on this picture. We've got some new makeup presets and eyeliners, updates and optimization. Brilliant. Okay, so I've got the image into the software now. What I did was I just expanded the background in Photoshop before I brought it in, just so we could see a little bit more of any of the new features in action. It'll look better if we've got a bigger background. Anyway, so first things first, we'll just go in here. What I want to do first of all is a local adjustment on the person, and we want to go into, yeah, entire person. We'll just go with that one. I'm just going to bring the shadows up just a little bit more and bring them highlights down again. Way too much. I would say just to about there. Okay, I want to have a look in this new section here where we've got the background adjustments. Now there is a background in here that is similar to the one I used anyway, which is that one. Similar one, so we will go with that one for now, and let me just see where these new adjustments are. Let's go back into here. Okay, so we've got opacity of it, rather good. Edge adjustments, that's for around the subject. Oh, right, okay, we can adjust it vertically now, and I'll assume we can go horizontal as well. Yep, definitely a good feature they have added. Let me just try some of these other ones. I'm going to bring the opacity down on that one. And stretch to fit. Okay, so we've got center alignment, center fill, stretch to fill. And then if we bring it over, yeah, I'm quite happy with how this works. Okay, so I'm going to leave it with that background, I think. Okay, we'll just clean up the background, and then we will do a background enhancement, and then we'll go into the main part of this software, which is the portrait retouching. Okay, so we've got some blemishes on the face we want to sort out, and on the forehead, some little spot areas there, so we'll probably do that around about the 60 mark. Maybe a little bit stronger for this image. And there's one there, it's just not noticing. Let me go all the way. No, anyway, that's not a big deal. We can fix that one in Photoshop. Okay, next one, we're going to go to eye wrinkle, dark circles. We'll get them all the way up to max. We're just going to reduce the shine on the face just a little bit. And then bring the eye bags up as well. We've no smile lines on this picture. We've got a little neck wrinkle here that we will fix. So we'll go there around about the 70. A little bit stronger. Double chin. No, we can't try the new one, which is the remove armpit fat, but that is a good feature to add into this software. Really happy they've added that one. Excuse me, we're going to go into the facial reshaping and the eyebrows. We're just going to make them just a little bit thicker. Eyes. We've got just a little bit of difference on the eyes on this one. So eyeball size, if you unclick this, we can do individual eyes, as you will see here. Just affects this one, so we're just going to bring that one up just a little bit. And this one as well to about there. Okay, happy so far. This is going to be a really quick video really, because we don't want to do too much to this shot we've got. We're just going to touch up the teeth just a little bit. What's going on? There we go. Just to highlight the teeth in the image, just a little bit there. And then what another one we want to do is the removing the red veins. Let me just check that one. I think we'll go a bit higher. There we go. Does a really good job of doing that. That just saves you a lot of time than using Photoshop. Seriously does. Okay, so we just want to go into the makeup one now. And then we'll have a look at these new features we've got. So we've got vigorous. Again, oh, that's not a bad preset actually. Oh, a preset I don't mind. Okay, so let me just go through them all. So we've got the nude, the chic. That one definitely needs work. That one's not too bad. No, 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 no. Again, like I've said before in some of my other videos, I'm just not a big fan of presets. Freckles one, no. They just don't work for me. But this one, it's just not too, you know, it's just, it's a, no, too much. Too much, too much, too much. That one, it's quite subtle. Maybe because it's got a male there, so it's just bringing out those, you know, just a little bit more depth to the face. If you understand what I mean by that. Okay, so we're going to use that one just for now. We're going to have a look at these eyeliner ones. Okay, so that one's good. That one's okay. That one works. Yeah, they've I know where they've got the idea from for these. We all know, or maybe we don't all know, but yeah, anyway. That one's good. But we need to be able to add it down here as well, which it does on that one. Maybe in the future, Evoto, if we can have adjustments for the top and the bottom on all of them, and then being able to add a different amount for each one, that would be great as well. Okay, so we've got some eyeliners there. We'll go with that one. The contours are the same, blush, etc. And then we're going to go into the eyelash suite. We're going to make the eyelashes pop on this one. Maybe not too much, around about there. You see, we've got upper and lower in this section. We need this upper and lower in the eyeliner section, just for it to work a little bit better. That's only my opinion. My opinion counts. Okay. Yep. And I think we're going to be done. Again, just a quick makeover. Eyeshadows, nothing new in there. Again, I've said it before in the videos, they need to be able to add a lot more colours in here. But yeah. Anyway, so there we go, just a quick makeover. I will show you the before and after at the end of the video. But don't forget, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. If you want to see anything else in my videos, just drop me a message and we'll see you in the next one.